Hi everyone, bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to my channel. Bienvenue. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover. Welcome. So today, a nice video. I will be talking about my Mulberry small Antony in the lilac color. I bought this bag 6 months ago, and as I promised you, I will do a review of it, a warranty review. So this is the time. For those who don't know, I got this bag, the small Antony in the lilac color. I will write the dimension of the bag. I got this bag for 6 months now, and I wanted to do this review because lilac is a soft color, a pastel color, and some of you have written me and tell me, do you have color transfer? So I will be clear about that. I got no color transfer. Look, I will include more shot because this is the back of the bag, and you can clearly see there is no color transfer. And I'm using this bag also today. Look, I'm wearing jeans, dark jeans, and no color transfer. So I'm really happy. I use this bag since I got it, and I love this bag. I love this bag because of the color. Of course, you know me, I love lilac. It is silver hardware, but I love it because it is really practical. The dimensions are perfect. I will again show you what can fit inside. Look, and it is not full to the max. I can also put my phone, but you can see there is my, okay, I will show you. I got inside my wallet. It's a normal size one, not a continental but a normal size one. Okay, I got tissue, I got my mint, I've got a pen, I've got my love card holder lilac, and look how it is. It's not exactly the same shade. The Longchamp one is a bit more lavender, but it's a perfect match. I got my newest Bimba Lola wallet or pouch, as you can tell, and it's full. And it's got feminine product and other things. And look, this is pink, but look how cute it is. I love. So I definitely have a bunch of things inside. I love the inside. There's some, so here it's raw leather, here it's grain leather, and here you got a kind of tissue, cotton tissue, and it's really nice to touch. You've got a front pocket. I use this front pocket for my document. If, for example, I pay with my credit card, I put the receipt there. Perfect. So the size is amazing. I use it a lot because it's so practical. I put my essential, and then I go to school, and during summer I use this bag from day to night. For example, for day I went for grocery shopping, and in the night I just wear another dress. I went to a restaurant with it. It's really perfect. You can not remove the strap, but you can adjust the length of the strap, and it is really cool. So I love to wear it crossbody because it's so lightweight, and when I wear it crossbody, it's really practical. It's a good buy. I'm really happy. Now the bag retails for more than 600 euro. I will write the correct price, and I think it's a good price. The bag is all in leather. The strap is not in leather. It's in a kind of canvas, but the whole bag is in leather. The leather is soft to touch, is really high quality, and look, even the glazing is still in perfect condition. Look, and I can tell you, I use it a bunch. There is no problem of glazing. Yes, I seriously recommend this bag and Mulberry bag in general because this is my very first one, and to be honest, yes, maybe one day we'll buy another one. There's several types that I love from them. The Billy, the DLC, I think it's called like that. I will include some pics. And yes, definitely a good bag. The quality is there. And I told you at the beginning of the video, I wore it with short, denim short, and yes, no color transfer. And that's a good sign of quality. So the bag now is no more available on Lilac on the website, European website. So maybe on reseller market you can find it if you are still interested by the lilac color. But on the website there's the new colors and there's a choice. And yes, I'm really happy. The bag is still in pristine condition. I am careful with my bags, I have to say, but I use it and I have got 2 kids. Yeah, really good quality. So that's all. If you have a question about this bag, do not hesitate. I will be more than happy to answer you. And yes, if you have any question, do not hesitate. If you want to recommend me other Mulberry bags, please do write in the comment section. And that's all for today, guys. It's a small review, but I thought it was really important to keep you informed about when I use my bags, because I presented you, and I think it's always better to tell you when we use the bag if there is a problem that occurs or not. But for this time, it's a big success. It's a big success. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and stay tuned because I've got a bunch of other various things to show you and discuss with you. So stay tuned. Bye, guys.